Join us today as we look at this stunning example of mid-15th century Italian manuscript illumination. It showcases beautiful initials illuminated delicately in blue and red and is crowned with an extraordinary historiated initial depicting the Archangel Saint Michael. It belonged to a very important gradual, one of 14 choir books commissioned by the eminent Greek Byzantine theologian and cardinal Bessarion. The artist, who was in fact named after this project, is known as the third Bessarion Master and was one of the leading forces behind this large commission, together with other celebrated artists like Francesco de Russi, who contributed to the famous Borso Bible. The miniature in our leaf is finely drawn, showing the skill and confidence of our illuminator. It depicts a pink letter B set against a gold ground and sprouting acanthus leaves. It forms the incipit of the Feast of St. Michael, and in it we see the Archangel holding his scales, preparing to weigh the souls of the departed, while pinning Satan to the ground and keeping him in check. The face of the angel is pale and bestows him with a spiritual complexity similar to a sister leaf in the Oberlin Museum of Art. This miniature is truly a testament to the exquisite quality of Italian illumination of the time.